Welcome to Control Tech. This video series is to help our customers in solving common dehumidifier issues. We will suggest you different steps to resolve this issue. So, let's solve it together. Water leakage from your dehumidifier can create a panic situation. So, let's see how to solve this issue. To stop leakage, first we need to check drain system of dehumidifier. A leak can happen due to a damaged drain system, including connection and fittings. Make sure that hosepipe connections are tight. Ensure that no blockages or obstructions could impede the proper flow of water. Clean out any debris that may be present in the drainage system. In step 2, clean the drain hose. Please make sure the hosepipe is not damaged or clogged. Also, it should be securely connected to the dehumidifier. Any leak also can cause a reverse flow of the water. Remove the hose and check for any blockages or kinks. Clean the hose thoroughly or replace it if necessary. It is possible that leakage can be from condensate tank of dehumidifier. If your dehumidifier uses a water collection bucket, check the bucket for any cracks, leaks, or improper placement. Ensure that the bucket is seated correctly and securely attached to the dehumidifier. Empty the bucket regularly to prevent overflow, as an overfilled bucket can lead to water leakage. For more such informative videos on dehumidifiers, please subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, please do email us. We, Control Tech Dehumidifiers, will be happy to answer it as much as possible. Get in touch with us to learn more about our products and services. Thanks for watching this video.